Whispers in the shadows cry. Every word we never spoke haunts a heart that's barely woke.
Streets are empty like my soul. Every step takes heavy toll. In the silence lies the truth, echoes lost in wasted youth.
All that's left unsaid tonight dwells within the fading light. Secrets buried deep inside, in the dark they can't abide. Voices linger on the breeze, whispered secrets no one sees. In this maze where shadows play, hope and sorrow start to fray.
Ancient ghosts from broken dreams wander through these silent streams. Every glance a tale untold, every touch feels icy cold.
All that's left unsaid tonight dwells within the fading light. Secrets buried deep inside, in the dark they can't abide.
All that's left unsaid tonight dwells within the fading light. Secrets buried deep inside, in the dark they can't abide.
In shadows we roam, lost souls unnamed, hearts wild like flames, too fierce to be tamed. Haunted whispers hang in the midnight air, in the cage of ribs, our secrets we wear. Leads to forgotten dreams, echoes of sorrow unravel at seams. Stars weep silent in a sky so cold, in rib cages wild hearts are controlled. Hearts are wild creatures dancing alone, ribs like iron bars for reasons unknown. We chase the our spirits will win.
until we die.
Underneath the broken sky, whispers in the shadows cry. Every word we never spoke haunts a heart that's barely woke.
Streets are empty like my soul. Every step takes heavy toll. In the silence lies the truth, echoes lost in wasted youth.
All that's left unsaid tonight dwells within the fading light. Secrets buried deep inside, in the dark they can't abide. Voices